Hi there. Here we are for our second super simple STEM project with a single sheet of paper. And what we're going to be making today, I like to call it the Crown Flyer. Because when you're finished with it, it kind of looks like a little crown that maybe a friend could wear. So how do we make this Crown Flyer? First, let me throw it toward you so you can see how it flies. It's really quite simple. This is one of the simpler STEM projects we'll work on. Again, we start off with a single sheet of paper. First part is to use your ruler, and you want to draw a line from opposite corners. This is very important. So you may not be able to do this with a smaller ruler. You might need a larger ruler. Or if you don't have a long enough ruler, another tip, you can actually take the paper and put it on the edge of your table in order to fold it from one corner to the other. Putting in a little initial crease in it like that will enable you to see that you can fold it from one corner to the opposite corner. And in doing so, when you fold it in half like this, and it may take a couple tries to get it just right, when you fold it, you'll see that your paper forms two little mountain peaks where the sunshine can rise between. Once you've got your paper folded from one corner to the next part is relatively easy. Along the fold line, you can measure, or you can just eyeball it with your pinky finger. You're going to fold approximately 2 centimeters parallel to the original fold along the paper. Then fold it one more time, and so after 3 folds, you're done folding. It's as simple as that. Press down your fold nice and tightly, and then this might be a challenging part, taking the fold and creating a loop. And when you create the loop, you can put the smaller part of the fold into the larger part of the fold. And here is your simple design of the Crown Flyer. And you fly it, again, the fold is the front of the wing, but the wing is circular in shape. The larger part of the wing, where most of the surface area is the bottom of the flying crown, and you hold it between the 2 peaks as you release it into the air. Now, what are some engineering ideas you can do with the Crown Flyer? Well, you can modify, you can tweak, you can engineer the dimensions of the fold. You can alter the number of the folds to increase or decrease the surface area of the round wing. Another tip that I have found is adding an additional fold down the middle of the wing. Putting a crease in the fold like this gives it a little bit more stability when you actually fly your flying crown. Now, once you loop the papers together again and you have your flying crown, there are other things that you can modify, tweak, engineer while you're flying it. You can bend the back parts of the wing up and down one at a time. You can flatten it out a little bit to see how it flies. But in all of these changes that you make, you are engineering new designs to enable your Crown Flyer to fly the greatest distance you can achieve. Remember your goal, to fly at a far distance, and remember, you're the pilot, not the paper. So engineer it, oh yeah, so that it flies where you want it to fly. Good luck and have fun. This is the flying crown.